Hello friends. It's cold, it's winter, it's Wisconsin, we got snow. We're going to do a snow tour today. So we got a special. We have a couple canvases here, Kropf canvases, that are a deal. So any one of the three that we tour today are $69,977. It's a good deal. So we're going to go on a tour. We're going to go find them. And I will do a one-by-one walkthrough of them. Alright, be on the lookout. Get yourself a Kropf canvas today. Okay. Alright, here we are. Here's all three of them right in a row. One by one. Let's go take a little look-see. I have to dig out the keys. Bet you didn't catch that. I have to dig out the keys here. Okay, here we go. Let's go tour this Kropf canvas. So this floor plan is 7001. Wide open, blank canvas for you to put your own touch on. So much room in here. Looky, looky. Let's go over here. Check out the bathroom. Don't mind the pink. We're winterized around here, you know. It's a little bit chilly. Bedroom. So you can add your own nightstands. Let's go. Isn't she pretty? All right, come visit us. Lakeland RV Center, Milton, Wisconsin. We're the Park Model Pros. Here's one of the canvases at $69,977. Come check her out. And on to the next one. So, another Kropf canvas. This one is 7002 WD. The WD means it is washer dryer prepped. So this one, kitchen is a galley kitchen. TV, entertainment area there. Let's go down here. Bathroom. So you can put your own touch on these. Blank canvases. Washer dryer prep. This one has a king size bed in it. Nice. Now let's go take a look-see at the loft. And claimer. $69,977. She could be yours. She's at Lakeland RV Center in Milton, Wisconsin. Come see us. We're the Park Model Pros. And the third Kropf canvas. Let's get this thing unlocked. So this one is 7003. Right into the kitchen. Nice. Look at all the space to work with here. TV mounted up in the corner there. And you can add your own cabinetry, your own decor, your whatever you want. Or leave it blank. Again, they are winterized, so that's where you see the pink. And let's check out this bedroom. This one has a king-size bed also. And lots of storage. Let's check out the loft. So, Lakeland RV Center, Milton, Wisconsin. Come take a look at this canvas. $69,977. We're the Park Model Pros. Come see us. Have a good day.